Are you the kind of person who enjoys spending their spare time playing video games? Or has the gaming obsession compelled you to spend all of your time on your smart device? The gaming market is experiencing enormous downloads due to the current developments in modern technology and the strength of the internet. Online gaming has taken the world by storm, and it's not hard to see why. Regardless of their age, whether they are young or elderly, many people enjoy the way interactive gaming entertains them and makes a way for them to earn along the way. Before starting this video, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. With that out of the way, let's get started.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Some websites offer membership options that allow users to participate in online games for points or rewards. You can use these points to trade them for gift cards or to have them sent to your PayPal account instead of gift cards. Some websites are free, but others may require you to make an initial payment of a small amount to get started. If you want to use a specific website for free, you can do so. However, I strongly advise you to register on sites that are absolutely free of charge. Almost immediately after starting your business, you can recover your initial investment and possibly even make a profit over and above it. I know you've got questions. Well, I have answers. What skills are required to play online games? Having a positive attitude toward games and having a great time playing them is sufficient. Honestly, I'm not exaggerating when I state that absolutely no unique abilities are required to make money by playing games online. Spend some time consistently, keep going, and simply enjoy the experience of crossing stages and achieving goals to the greatest extent you are capable of doing. How much can you earn by playing games online? Participating in online games makes it possible to earn a substantial amount of money. Video game coaches can earn anything from $20 to $200 per hour depending on their experience. Demand for their services and the quality of their services are both factors in determining their profitability. There is no assurance that this video will result in a $1,000 weekly income. Nevertheless, various sites have different prize pools. There is no harm in trying. Hundreds of businesses are prepared to compensate you for your time spent playing games, and they are all entirely free to use. There is no requirement to pay any money. All that is required is that you participate and hope to win. PayPal is used by a large number of businesses to process payments. Because of this, you should have one, and you may be the next person to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars every day through the use of PayPal. How do you make money playing video games? In recent years, there are far more opportunities for monetizing your video game hobby than you might imagine. We have pulled together a few ways to work toward making money playing your favorite video games. Let's take a look. Number 9. Become a game developer. You can make money as a player by developing and publishing your own games. This is referred to as game development. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average salary for game developers working for a significant business, such as Ubisoft or Electronic Arts, is $83,000 a year. Jobs with major game companies, on the other hand, are famously stressful, and you'll almost certainly be forced to work long hours, as well as on weekends and holidays. Instead, you might establish your own video game creation company and make money from game sales and in-game purchases in your spare time. For example, Marcus Persson and his company Mojang worked closely together to build Minecraft entirely under his supervision. Microsoft paid a whopping $2.5 billion for the game developer Mojang. Number 8. Game tester. When comparing a quality assurance tester to a game tester or a beta tester, one of the most significant distinctions is that QA deals with a product that has already achieved a particular degree of quality as required by the developers. Attempting to break a game or finding ways to make it unplayable or evaluate why a contest may or may not be enjoyable for users are all part of the job of a tester. Number 7. Video game coaching. The most fascinating option is to offer to coach your favorite competitive match in exchange for a charge, such as League of Legends, to make money while playing video games. Video game instructors can make anywhere from $20 to $200 per hour, depending on their level of expertise and demand for their services in the market. Example: Metaphor, a League of Legends instructor listed in the YouTube section costs between $50 and $80 per hour for his consulting services. When you start out as a coach, creating a following on a site such as YouTube and then offering your services to that audience is conventional practice for you to follow. Number 6. Get paid directly to play. Try Mistplay. A fantastic software accessible for Android users, Mistplay is an excellent way to monetize your time spent playing video games on your phone. The app's primary goal is to provide users with an environment in which they may participate in games in exchange for prizes. Users can join in-app games to earn gift cards to various retailers such as Amazon, Google Play, and even virtual Visa gift cards by accruing points. These gift cards can be used to purchase items from these retailers. When you play with Mistplay, you are entitled to get money from the moment you begin playing. Play with your pals and level up your avatar to gain achievements and earn units more quickly as you progress through the game. They also facilitate user conversation and include a chat option, which encourages players to form bonds. Another crucial point to mention is that there are no fees associated with downloading, joining, or participating in games in Mistplay. Number 5. addictinggamescom. Over 4,500 games are available on the Addicting Games website, divided into action, arcade, cute, easy, brain teasers, card games, quizzes, you name it. Single-player games are usually the most excellent fit for this type of game. Creating a free account and keeping track of your top scores and favorite games is possible. Number 4. miniclip. miniclip is an online platform that allows you to access and play free online games at any time you want. miniclip offers a diverse selection of games, including more than 45 mobile games and 1,000 online games. It covers a variety of games, such as fun games, action games, puzzle, sports, adventure, flash games, and multiplayer games, among so many others. Number 3. League of Trading. League of Trading is a social trading application to earn the most profit from cryptocurrency possessions. It's okay if you don't know how to trade. You can follow trading moves from experienced crypto influencers or set them in autopilot mode. That will automatically copy trades from other high-earning traders. Number 2. Cash Pirate. The Cash Pirate app has many fantastic games that can help you get rewarded with gift cards. Once pirate coins are collected, you can even swap them for rewards, which are redeemable in Amazon, iTunes, Steam, or PayPal Cash. The best feature is that it is a speedy app and has a positive rating on Google Play. And the closer for our list today, number 1, Winner Games. Winner Games is a mobile gaming development company. They are best known for Big Time, available on both Android and iOS platforms. Big Time offers fun, many addicting games that grants players with tickets in their place of points. Using these tickets, you can enter into various cash prize drawings. Their mobile games are fun, social, and an excellent way for people to use them for free and make money. It is not necessary to purchase gaming consoles. It is now possible to be entertained while earning real money using only a computer, an internet connection, and a little gaming skill. You should get involved because this venture has a high earning potential and is absolutely worth your time. So get out there and compete, and make the most of this entertaining method to pass the time while earning money in the process. What did you think of the video? Go ahead and let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it and hit that subscribe button before you go. As always, thanks for watching.